Good morning. Why LeafFilter? I bought my home 33 years ago, and as most could understand and appreciate, a brand new home that's never been lived in has flora and fauna that's very limited. In other words, very short trees, very little shrubbery, and my neighbors had very little as well. Fast forward 33 years, now trees are 30 feet high. A million leaves are flowing from the wind onto my roof, into my gutters, incessantly, repeatedly, and in a very frustratingly way. Decades ago, I had no problem getting on a ladder with a leaf blower or a water hose and cleaning everything out and getting down from the ladder and moving and up and down and up and down. And that was no problem. Well, I now am retired. Retired means that you've paid your dues for decades and your body human kind of changes as well. Just like the trees grow, sadly, our body gets limited in terms of function. So, but also when you retire, your better half says, honey, would you do this? Honey, would you do that? And there's a litany of honey-dos, but one of which is not get up on a ladder and get on the top of the roof, whether it's the first story or the second story, and clean the gutters. If you do, she's going to kill me. Okay, so I keep hearing these ads, and I see on my computer and on the radio here and on the TV, and I'm going, there's got to be something to this leaf filter business. So I said, give it a try. Call them, see what happens. I was met on the phone with cheerful, pleasant people, very professional, very courteous and kind, scheduled an appointment, spot on time. The fellow shows up, happens to be, a manager of a whole huge Southern California region. And we sit down in the breakfast room and have a normal conversation. And I did not feel pressured, but I saw the product, I heard the process. And he went out and measured, and he didn't even have to climb a ladder because he had these laser toys that measured down to the eighth of an inch. Anyhow, long story short, he comes back in. We sit down and discuss what this investment in my home is going to cost, but also financing because I'm retired. I'm on fixed income. Long story short, all of that melded into an agreement, and hence, okay, let's do this. They scheduled the install, and as smooth and as clean and comfortable and courteous and kind and professional as the representative was, so was the install team. Unbelievable. Then they brought me into the breakfast room to sit down. The install manager says, here, we've taken pictures of all we've done. Voila. First story, second story, the whole house, stem to stern. Thank you very much. That was it. I'm so happy.